Hi guys, this is the cool down for Unit 6, Lesson 10. Find the value of 15 times 43. Show your reasoning. Okay, for 15 times 43, today I am going to use a diagram. This is a 2-digit by 2-digit, so I will need 2 rows and 2 columns. So let's see. So we have 15 times 43. So I'm going to break these into tens and ones. So if I look at 15, I know that is 10 plus 5. If I look at 43, I know I have 4 tens, which of course would be 40, and 3 ones. Okay, then I just multiply. 10 times 40, well, 1 times 4 is 4, and there's 2 zeros. Okay, then I do 10 times 3, which is 30. Then I do 5 times 40. So 5 times 4 is 20, but I have a 0, so I add a 0. And then 5 times 3 is a math fact, and that is 15. My next step is to add up my partial products. Remember, partial products are these 4 numbers in the boxes. So I'm going to line them up by place value, keeping my numbers nice and neat and lined up. Then I just add. So my answer is 645. I'm going to circle it. Okay, many of you like to use the standard algorithm, okay? So 15 times 43, I'm going to also solve it that way. So I'm going to set it up. Okay, I always start with my ones place, and I'm going to do 5 times 3, which is 15. So I put down my 5, carry the 1. Then I do 5 times 4, which is 20, and I add 1 and I get 21. I'm going to erase that. Okay, I'm going to my second row, and I'm going to multiply by 1. But remember, I'm not multiplying by 1, I'm multiplying by 10. This is a shortcut strategy, so part of the shortcut is to put that 0 placeholder. Then I do 1 times 3, which is 3, and 1 times 4, which is 4. I add my 2 partial products, and I get 645. A common mistake is to forget your 0 placeholder, which is why this method can be tricky. It is a shortcut method, so it's got little shortcuts that might not make sense to you. If you are finding this strategy is not working for you, go back and use the boxes. There's nothing wrong with that, okay? But just remember that 0 placeholder. It's so important. If I didn't have that placeholder, I would have gotten like 258, which would have been off by a lot, you guys. Okay. Remember, guys, when you are picking a strategy, you've got to pick the strategy that you are getting the right answer. And it does not have to be the same strategy as your friend. All right, guys. Good job today.